Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum parents and teachers. How are you all? Today we are going to start the poem Sun and Moon of class 1 New Oxford Modern English, and this poem is written by Charlotte Druid Cole. Okay, the poetess of this poem is Charlotte Druid Cole, and these are the words to know. And first of all, you have to know the SLOs, the student learning outcomes, which means that the students will be able to do the reading, translation of this poem. They will be able to know new words. They will increase their vocabulary along with their meanings. They will be able to form sentences. They will be able to learn the rhyming words. They will be able to comprehend the poem. They will be able to give the answers related to this give the answers to the questions related to this poem, and they will be able to make questions from the given sentences, and these are the SLOs. Now first of all, you have to know the words to know, means these are the words which you have to do in your notebooks, and the students have to learn the spellings of these words also, and they have to learn the meanings of these words also. Okay, I am going to tell you the English to English meanings also along with the Urdu meanings. Number one, the first word is beneath. Beneath, what is the meaning of beneath? Lower than or under someone or something, यानी कि एक ऐसी चीज़ जो किसी चीज़ के नीचे है, नीचे, which means किसी चीज़ के नीचे. Blow out, to put out a fire or light, यानी कि बुझाना. What is the meaning of blow out? कि आग बुझाना या किसी रोशनी को बुझाना. ठीक है. Bright, bright means with a lot of light. A thing which has a lot of light means रोशन, बहुत ज़्यादा रोशन. Gold, gold means a yellow metal which is very valuable, यानी कि सोना. आप सबको पता है कि हम सब ने सोना जो है वो पहनना होता है, तो उसको हम आप बच्चों को बता सकते हैं इजीली कि सोना क्या है. ठीक है. हंग, व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ हंग? ये है थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ड हैंग. ओके, हैंग का क्या मतलब होता है? लटकना. ठीक है. टू बी फिक्स्ड एट द टॉप, यानी कि एक तरफ से वो फिक्स होता है और नीचे दूसरे एंड से वो लटका होता है. ठीक है. तो उसको हम कहते हैं टू बी फिक्स्ड एट द टॉप सो दैट द लोअर पार्ट इज़ फ्री, यानी कि लटका हुआ कोई चीज़ जो है जो ऊपर से हैंग हो रही हो. Lanterns, what is the meaning of lantern? A light in a container made of glass or paper that usually has a handle for carrying. लालटेन जो होती है ना, उसको हम lantern कहते हैं. ठीक है. Silver, a shiny grey metal that is valuable. एक होता है सोना, गोल्ड, और एक होता है सिल्वर, चांदी. ठीक है, उसको हम कहते हैं चांदी जैसा. So these were the words to know, and in simple words, these are the words meanings which you have to do in the notebooks, and you have to ask the children to learn the spellings of these words, which will be their dictation, and they have to learn the meanings also. Now start the reading. The moon shines clear as silver, the sun shines bright as gold, and both are very lovely and very, very old. God hung them up as lanterns for all beneath the sky, and nobody can blow them out, for they are up too high. This was the reading, and now I am going to tell you the Urdu translation of this poem. The moon shines, चांद चमकता है, clear, बहुत वाजिया तौर पे या बहुत साफ तरीके से, as silver, चांदी की तरह, यानी कि चांद बहुत साफ चांदी की तरह चमकता है. The sun shines bright as gold, सूरज चमकता है बहुत रोशन सोने की तरह, यानी कि सूरज बहुत रोशन चमकता है सोने की तरह. As you can see here that this is the moon and it is of silver color, and this is the sun and it is of golden colors. So the poetess has given the simile of moon to the silver because of its silver color, and she has compared the sun with the gold because of its golden color. Okay, ये सूरज जो है वो सोने जैसा लगता है और चांद जो है वो चांदी जैसा लगता है, as you can see here. And both are very lovely, और दोनों ही बहुत खूबसूरत हैं. And very, very old, और दोनों ही बहुत बहुत पुराने हैं. ठीक है. God hung them up as lanterns خدا نے یعنی اللہ تعالیٰ نے انہیں لٹکایا ہوا ہے آسمان میں. کہاں کیا بنا کر؟ لالٹینیں بنا کر. اللہ تعالیٰ نے لٹکایا ہوا ہے انہیں لالٹینیں بنا کر. فار آل بینیتھ دا اسکائی، ان سب کے لیے جو کہ آسمان سے نیچے ہیں. آسمان کے نیچے کون ہوتے ہیں؟ ہم سب جتنے بھی لوگ جو زمین پر رہتے ہیں. ٹھیک ہے، ہم سب آسمان کے نیچے ہیں. تو ہم سب کے لیے اللہ تعالیٰ نے ان کو لالٹینیں بنا کر آسمان پر لٹکایا ہوا ہے. دن کے ٹائم ہمیں سورج جو ہے وہ روشنی دیتا ہے، اور رات کے ٹائم ہمیں چاند روشنی دیتا ہے. تو یہ ہمیں روشنی دیتے ہیں، اس لیے ہم انہیں لالٹینیں کہہ رہے ہیں. ٹھیک ہے. اینڈ نو بڈی کین بلو دیم آؤٹ، اور کوئی بھی انہیں بجھا نہیں سکتا. فار دے آر اپ ٹو ہائی، کیونکہ یہ بہت زیادہ اونچے ہیں، یعنی بہت اونچائی پر ہیں. ٹھیک ہے. ان دس پوئم the poetess is saying that she is comparing the sun with the gold and the moon with the silver, and she is saying that these are the lanterns, these are the light giving things which God has hung them up in the sky for all the people on the earth, for all the living creatures which live on the earth, so that we can have the light from these lanterns, and we can have the light from the sun in the day, and we can have the light from the moon in the night. So they are very very lovely, they are very very beautiful, and nobody can blow them out because they are very very high, because nobody can reach till them. So this was the reading and translation, and in next lecture I will tell you the question answer.